So this ad is skippable, but it contains $1,000 worth of free software. Remember me, John Vaughn, founder and CEO of Tier 5. You actually checked out my Tier 5 partner program, and I started showing you paid ads because of that. So look, I'm a real live human being. You can find me on Facebook. If you click this link right over here, you can find me on Facebook. You can add me as a friend, and you can send me a message letting me know that you saw this ad. And not only will I give you a software that will help you generate leads and make more money, but I'll also make sure you have full access to my organic marketing training, where I show you how I've been able to leverage my Facebook profile and generate over $3 million worth of revenue to grow my company and fun things like showing you these dumb ads. So if you want to get a software that people literally pay me $1,000 for free, all you have to do is click this button right over here. It will take you to my Facebook profile. Send me a friend request, send me a message, let me know you saw this ad and you want your free software. I'll make sure you get access to the software for free, and I'll also make sure you get access to my organic marketing training that will help you get more leads and make money. Just want to provide value up front before I start telling you about the Tier 5 partnership and how you can leverage that to actually really grow your business and build up your recurring revenue streams. So go ahead and do that.